All right, welcome, RFI detectives. If you're a wireless technician, you've definitely been there, chasing those ghosts in the network that are driving you crazy. Well, today we're going to level up your troubleshooting game. We're moving past the basic stuff and diving into professional-grade spectrum analysis to finally hunt down those impossible interference sources.
Now, just so you know, what we're covering today is a key piece of a much bigger picture. This is part 5 of a massive 20-part series. It's all based on a super detailed report from the experts over at RFI Detectives, who are part of Virtualization Options LLC. So yeah, we're tapping into some serious knowledge here.
So let me just ask you this. Have you ever been on site and you know there's interference? You can feel it, you see the packet loss, the connection drops, but your trusty Wi-Fi scanner says everything's fine. The airwaves look clean. It's maddening, right? Well, that's exactly where we're starting. Look, don't get me wrong, your basic Wi-Fi analyzer is an amazing tool. It's awesome for channel planning, for seeing what other Wi-Fi networks are up to, but the second the problem isn't another Wi-Fi network, that's when these standard tools just hit a brick wall. This right here, this really gets to the heart of it. Think about it like this. Your basic analyzer speaks only one language, and that language is Wi-Fi. But a professional spectrum analyzer, it's like a universal translator. It understands everything happening in the air. Wi-Fi? Yeah, but also Bluetooth, that microwave in the break room, even faulty industrial equipment. It lets you see the whole, unfiltered conversation. And that leads us to the hero of our story today, the professional-grade spectrum analyzer. This is not just another gadget in your bag. When you're dealing with really complex RFI issues, this tool is absolutely essential. It's what separates guessing from knowing. So what is this thing really? Well, it's basically your eyes and ears on the entire radio frequency environment. It doesn't care about protocols, it just shows you the raw power levels across a massive range of frequencies, all in real time. This is how you finally see the true culprits that are completely invisible to your standard tools. So how does it actually see all this invisible stuff? It's all about features like these. Things like waterfall displays and spectrograms. They're like a DVR for RF energy. They let you see what's happening over time so you can finally catch that frequency hopping signal or that quick, nasty blast of noise from a motor that only kicks on for a second. You can see its unique signature and bam, you know exactly where to look. But listen, having the best tool in the world is only half the battle. To be a real RFI detective, you have to pair that powerful tool with a methodical, repeatable process. It's not just about what you can see, it's about how you go about looking. And this is the playbook right here, broken down into 3 crucial steps. First, you survey the scene, get a baseline of what's normal. Second, you isolate your suspects. This is classic detective work. Start turning things off one by one and watch your analyzer. And third, this is the big one. You analyze those patterns over time. You let the culprit reveal itself. And this is exactly why that temporal analysis, that looking over time, is a total game changer. As the source material points out, this is how you catch the common culprits that only misbehave for a few moments. You know, the microwave heating up lunch, that old cordless phone, a big piece of machinery starting its cycle. Each one leaves a distinct, fleeting fingerprint on your analyzer that you can now finally see and identify. So when you put it all together, the tool and the process, you're not just fixing a nagging problem anymore. You are actually mastering the RF spectrum. You're becoming the go-to expert who can solve the wireless mysteries that have everyone else completely stumped. And this is what that expertise looks like in the real world. You can now pinpoint that interference that just flashes for a second and disappears. You'll learn to recognize the unique frequency signatures of different devices. You'll be able to confidently diagnose the most baffling issues by literally showing how a machine's cycle lines up perfectly with network problems. You'll have the data to prove what's really going on. And really, that's the ultimate takeaway here. It's the combination. It's the sophisticated equipment paired with a logical, systematic process. That is the secret sauce that transforms a technician into a true RFI detective, one who can solve even the most impossible-seeming challenges. So I'll leave you with this thought. Armed with this knowledge, with these tools and this method, think about that one problem site, that one nagging issue you could never quite pin down. What elusive interference are you going to go hunt down first?